In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for your Shopify account. Two-factor authentication is a crucial step for securing your online store, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Whether you're a new Shopify user or someone who's been using the platform for a while, enabling this feature is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it every step of the way. To begin, make sure that you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, often referred to simply as My Store. This is your central hub where you manage everything related to your store's operations. Now, locate and click on the My Store link. This action will direct you to your primary store management area. Here's where it starts getting a bit specific. Within this setup, you'll need to navigate to your email settings. You'll find an option labeled Email. Click on it. This section is where your account's primary contacts and notifications are managed, ensuring you're kept in the loop about all the important activities related to your store. Now, let's move on to fortifying your security. Look for the Security tab and click on it. This section is dedicated to safeguarding your account, offering various options to enhance your security measures. Once you are in the security settings, scroll down a bit until you come across the two-step authentication option. Click on this to begin setting up your two-factor authentication. The process will typically involve linking a mobile device or an authentication app to your Shopify account. Choose your preferred method to receive your verification codes, which will include options such as text message verification or using an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. This step usually involves entering a code sent to your registered device or app to confirm that the connection is secure and functioning properly. Once the setup is confirmed, congratulations are in order. You now have two-factor authentication enabled for your Shopify account. This means that, in addition to your password, you'll need to enter a unique, time-sensitive code every time you log in. This additional requirement greatly enhances the security of your account, making it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Remember, security is an ongoing process. While 2FA significantly bolsters your account's safety, it's also a good idea to regularly update your passwords and remain vigilant about phishing attempts. Protecting your online business should always be a top priority, and enabling two-factor authentication is a significant step in the right direction. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful guides. Keep your store secure and your customers happy.